Qalandar Lal Shahbaz was born at Marwan, a town in Afghanistan in the year 1177 AD and left this temporal world in 1274 AD. Even though the revered saint is no longer with us, his memory and his words live on to inspire both young and old. As the devotees enter Seven Sharif, their feelings of intense excitement and happiness are quite visible on their faces as they hope to pay tribute to the holy saint Hazrat Qalandar Lal Shahbaz. At the shrine, the devotees are unable to control their emotions and they break out into dhamal. Besides, various rituals by different sects are observed. The most prominent three are the Mehndi ceremony, morning processions, and making of the murid. Sufis believe that the life is a transient state which separates one from the Almighty Beloved. That is why the death is nothing but a gateway to the union with the Creator. It is because of this that the death of a Sufi is celebrated, not mourned, and his death anniversary is called Urs in Arabic word, which means the marriage. The Sufi has simply moved on to the next stage of man's great journey, as the thousands of devotees of different nationalities and different religions throng to the shrine day and night, and many others have established makeshift camps in the areas surrounding Seven Sharif city to attend the various events of Urs celebration. There is no doubt the love for Shahbaz Qalandar knows no boundaries.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि जब मैं जब भी इधर आता हूँ जो भी दिल में मन्नत होती है मेरी पूरी होती है। मैं तकरीबन 10-12 साल से इधर आने वाला हूँ और ये शहंशाह हर आदमी को रंगता है।
But majority of devotees have a complaint of plethora of problems including longer power outages, potable water and lodging.
हिते पानी भी सही कोन थो अचे उन खां पोइ जेके मेले जा आया आहिनि पंधीअड़ा लासी जा उन्हनि खे बि राय सही नथी मिले हर कोई पंहिंजी जॻह वलारियो वेठो आहे हितां जो शहर जो उहो थो चए जेको आहे सो पैसा ॾियो त पोइ तव्हांखे वेहण ॾियूं.
This is the one of the event where men and women, Muslim and non-Muslims, by rubbing their shoulders to shoulders, arrived here with their religious expectations. Hundreds of the thousand devotees across the country have arrived here, but they are not getting proper facilities of electricity, supply of the drinking water and drainage.
Government officials in the city have agreed that the problems exist and pressure mounts all of a sudden on these meagerly available basic facilities. But efforts are being taken to maximize the proper use of the amenities.
We have also taken care of the cleanliness and water supply and drainage of the city, and like any other city of Sindh, these facilities are also understandably under tremendous pressure, and when people more than 1.2 million shall be visiting, the pressure would be felt on these all amenities.
Problems aside, the devotees overwhelmed by the ecstasy are busy in different rituals and rushing to pay their heartfelt tributes to their mentor. On the other hand, the social culture and other religious activities are taking place in full swing for the visitors. Qurban Ali Khushk, DawnNews at the shrine of Qalandar Lal Shahbaz, Seven Sharif.